Welcome y'all to another vlog. Okay, nah. If I'm bored at 4:19, shouldn't I be at the airport by like 2? So that means I should call my Uber by 1:30, right? Okay, so that gives me 2.5 hours to get everything I need done. I'm playing around. I'm really playing around because I want to take the trash out. I want to do a lot of stuff, but I'm just playing around. So what I wanted to show y'all was that I got a new suitcase set courtesy of my stepmother. And guess what? She got it for me for my birthday because luggage is expensive. Like, luggage is really expensive. I think they're saying the carry-on is supposed to be, let me just look. Carry-on baggage. Make sure your bag fits. Okay. Oh, 22 inches. Okay. I know I shouldn't dig in the trash, but I need to look at what this says. Okay, so this is 24, so what Juicy said, that ain't gonna work. Okay, 22. Thanks. Packing begins. Packing begins, my friends. Guess what ended up coming? Super D scooper D lumber timberly excited to get this. I know my electricity bill is going to be high, okay? The way I have been leaving lights and TVs on all day, all night. Right now, we're gonna try on these 3 pants. Yes, this is Fashion Nova. We're gonna try the size 7 first. Let's pray these fit, y'all. Let know. Because my inseam, I realize, is not as big as I'm thinking it is. Okay, yes. Oh my gosh, yes. I'm so glad I didn't size down. Again, these are size 7. If you're wondering how much I weigh, I don't know. When I moved here, I didn't buy a scale, but I'm 5'7" and a half. These are a size 7 and they fit, they go right like to my heel, which I really like. And they fit really nice, y'all see? These I got in a 7 as well. Did I? Yes. These were the only ones, look, these were the only ones that they had that had the embellishment on them, y'all. They don't seem like they'll fit. Let me see, yeah, they don't seem like they'll fit. Oh yeah, they were right in the reviews. No, these won't even go up. Oh no. Oh no. How am I gonna get these off? Oh my gosh, how am I gonna get these off? Maybe I need to do. I should just kept them off. Y'all, that was a workout. Now these, they said to size down. I got a size 5. Now, geez Louise, I don't know what the heck. Yup. Fit like a charm, y'all. Even, ooh, check me out. Wait a minute, yeah. I'm about to pack. What's up, y'all? It is my birthday, y'all. I made it to Michigan safely, thank God. And now I'm getting ready to go out to eat with my dad at this place because I've been wanting some shrimp and grits so bad. So that's what we're about to do. I'm done now, getting ready. Let me show you the outfit. First, let me take this off my head because the edges are laid. I haven't taken, oh, I need to put earrings on. I haven't taken my hair out of this, so it's very fluff. And yes, look at me. It's cold, but okay. But look at my eyelashes, y'all. I use this new mascara and I feel like my lashes look like real lashy. And I'm so glad I didn't get the extensions for my birthday because my lashes are finally curling up. And now we're done. So I might take pictures depending on what my dad's doing. Okay, I'm not gonna show you though.
No, you gotta get a picture of that if you want.
Look, this is what my dad got. What'd you get?
Pumpkin spiced overnight French toast.
Yes. And I got the northern fried shrimp and grits because I'm in the north. Right? Am I in the north?
You are in the north.
Okay, good.
Any farther north, you're in Canada.
Look at how pretty I look on my birthday. My dad's gonna take pictures of me later. I'm so excited. So I'll catch you guys later with the taste test. You guys, look at how big that street sign is. And that's how big it is really in real life. The concept of geometry. The concept of physiology. The concept of philosophy. That's crazy. So for our next try on, I'll be trying on these sweatpants from Boohoo. I wanted to just show y'all. So these are a size 10. And yeah, I could have gotten an 8. And if I could shop again, I would have gotten an 8. But they like, if you see the ankles, I like the real baggies. Boom. So it fits really oversized. One thing about the difference between Boohoo and Fashion Nova will say it's oversized. Listen, I'm probably, I'm about to sneeze. I'm probably gonna wear these with it as well. Very matchy, but probably about the only thing that will go with it that I'm willing to just throw on. So I haven't vlogged in a while, but guess what? So yesterday was real relaxed, but we went to see Wakanda Forever, y'all. But Wakanda Forever, like literally, that movie was so good. I'm not gonna spoil it for y'all, but definitely go check it out. Avatar 2's coming out. That's the one I'm gonna see next. I'm not really a movie girl, but I'm turning into a movie girl now ever since my dad got me that TV. But this is what I look like. We'll leave it at 10:30. I'm gonna start getting ready probably like 10:10 because I'm real, you know, like I be feeling like I get dressed quick, but I really don't. Oh, I didn't even tell y'all what we're gonna do today. Actually, I'll just show y'all and do a caption. I'm going to sit, scroll through my phone a little more, and then catch y'all on the flippity skippity. I really hope I don't, but this is what it looks like, y'all. So let me look in the mirror first and see.
Oh, that's a look. That's a look. We're looking.
What are you doing, bro? You're hilarious. It's the shirt. It's the shirt. Look at the shirt. It's the shirt for me.
I'm thinking about putting a sweater on.
I don't know. Yeah, I feel like I should put a shirt on the Actually, let me look at
It'll be too hot if I put a.
Yeah, some things aren't worth it.
That's the wrong sport.
We are.
Never did. Hey y'all, so I hope you guys got to see some of the game yesterday. Oh, I went to Cheesecake Factory. I didn't show y'all that, but I went to Cheesecake Factory with my family. When I usually go to Michigan, I never really go to real places. So this time I seen the mall. It was so nice. I seen the movie theater, which was in like a mall, I think, too, which was really nice. So yes, I had so much fun. I had a great week starting, from Friday with my birthday celebration with Christy. That vlog should already be out. Y'all think I should just cut to the chase and do the birthday vlogs, or should I do the other vlogs first? I don't know. I'm really excited about this vlog and the birthday vlog. So, or I might say August, September, all that all together. Okay, another try on. Today we will be trying on something from my outfit online, as well as, I don't know where this jacket's from. I think it's from Fashion Nova. So this is the one piece that I got from my outfit online. Open back detailing. Okay, look at the body. Okay, it goes all the way to my ankles, like right at my ankle. And yeah, real cute. Large. I like I always size up my jackets. I could have gotten in an extra large, but it goes right to my, yeah. Looks like this. Real cute. Okay, I'll be wearing my Nikes. I'm trying to see, can you push it down? Yeah, you yeah.
I'll get out of the way.
Thank you. This is my first time ever buying a Coach purse. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna show y'all what I look like today. Don't I look cute with my hair in the middle? So, the previous clips I showed y'all, well, only one clip. I went and got a bag. My first time ever buying my own bag on the plane. So, but she wrapped it up very nicely. And I'm probably gonna put this in my carry-on and not my other thing. But this is what it looks like. It looks really cute. I love it. I'm really happy. And yeah, I'm about text I love how I look. I just love the look. But y'all see. I'll catch y'all later, okay? Yup, y'all, it's about that time. Look, I have all my teeth.
Yep, really.
Okay, we're about to. Y'all, so I missed my flight earlier. My dad's on the headphones get to me. I already paid the bill. I thought it was green. Let me tell y'all what happened. So I went to the airport early. My flight was at boarding was at 1:05. Tell me how my read the wrong gate. I thought I was gate A20. I'm like sitting there, I'm like, bro, cause I'm like, it's 1:05, like what the hell's going on? Just to find out, okay, they're boarding at 1:45 and that's when I was supposed to take off. So I'm like, what the heck is going on? I look at my ticket, A70. So I'm supposed to be on A20 whole time I'm supposed to be on A70 whole time. They're like, oh, we're on our way to Baltimore. I'm like, what? Huh? Like, what? So then I instantly start tripping. And once I start tripping, I'm going to call my dad every go round. So I'm like, on the phone with my dad, I'm like, I don't know. I wasn't crying. I was like, I don't know. Like, I read the ticket wrong. Like, I don't know what I'm going to do. He was like, first you need to breathe. I'm like, that ain't going to do nothing for me. He says go to a help desk. So I go to a help desk. They end up being able to put me on the next flight. If y'all know, it's Thanksgiving. It's so rare that I was under the impression that I would have to stay overnight or like leave tomorrow, another day. So boom. So I'm on a flight. Oh no, I'm on the next flight. Literally the flight is in an hour. So my dad's on the phone and he already knows how I do. I get the next flight, but I'm in Comfort Plus on the one that I had before. So he's like, oh, will she be able to board early? Will she able to board with Comfort Plus? Will she be downgraded? Whatever. Initially, I was supposed to be downgraded. Now, that's just me. I be having an attitude. I was just glad I could get on a flight to get home, because the last thing that I wanted was, like, as much as I had fun, y'all, I be missing home so bad. It doesn't matter what the heck happens. And now, like, here it's starting to feel like home. So I'm like, when I don't be here, I'm like, nah, I need to be here, you know? So then I'm like, okay, I'm gonna be in the regular aisles, like with no leg space, whatever. One thing about me, if I buy the ticket myself, I'd have been on Spirit whole time. So I'm humble. So boom, then I checked the ticket, y'all. They upgraded me to Comfort Plus. So I'm like, okay, I got a later flight, blah, blah, blah. My dad's like, you know what? You need to just chill. You need to go get you a drink. And 3, had to pee so bad on the flight. Y'all, like, if it's not one thing, it's another. But maybe there's a reason I didn't need to be on that flight. I don't know. But yeah, so that's the story of the glory. Love y'all. See you later. Peace out.